Missing image panel error. Some of guys, they text me that they have this problem when they want to upgrade the image version. For example, let me show you. This is my project, okay? And I change device. So this is my current devices. And I, for example, go to comfort and choose the next level. For example, this one, but the version is 17. When they want to download the project on HMI, they just get this error. For example, adoption of target device failed or download has failed due to missing panel image. So what can you do? As you can see, there are lots of people that they ask this question, but the solution is so easy. You just must install image panel. You can download it, it's totally free from Theo Portal website, or you can go to our website. I know it's in Persian, but it's so easy. Here you can use Google Translate. Theo Portal version 19, and you can here use this one. Just click it, put your email, and get the file. And you can then install image panel. It's an exe and it's so easy. Just install it, close your Theo Portal, open it, and download to your devices. That's it. Have a good time, and bye-bye.